Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's continue our lesson. I will share first. Okay, this is the last lesson. Now I will teach all of you how to modify. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Just this. We will try to modify that object. Yeah, it will be coloring this object. Yeah, okay, let's see. Maybe like this. Okay, we must modify a bit. Okay, let's this still group, we must ungroup first. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, it's a two part. Okay, let's see, two part. Yeah, okay. Now I teach all of you how to combine this object. Yeah, for example, I know this line continue with this line. Yeah, and this line continue with this line here and here. Okay, now I will try to break curve apart. Okay, and this break curve apart. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see, break curve apart. We will see like this. Yeah, divide by 2. And this thick. Yeah, break curve, and maybe this break curve. After that, break curve apart. Okay, we can delete this. Yeah, but now okay, yeah, bottom apart, top apart. We will combine two apart, top apart and bottom apart. Now select top and then hold shift button and click bottom apart, and then we can arrange, just choose combine. Yeah, combine. After that, choose shape 2 and then drag this node. After that, we can join two nodes. Yeah, here too. Yeah, here too. Okay, join. Yeah, and then we can give color. Yeah, okay. If we do, I can not. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, we can delete maybe, and then we can modify, add the nodes. Yeah, add nodes. After that, we can modify like this. Okay, and then we can make two lines, and here too. Yeah, maybe modify a bit. Okay, modify a bit. Okay, that's it. Yeah, After that, we can modify the line. Use corner style this and line cap like this. Okay, you will see the change. Yeah. Okay, after that we can modify, use ellipse tool to create this. Yeah, like this. Okay, and we can change the, okay, maybe like this. Yeah, that's it. We can group. After that we can place on this. Yeah, that's it. It's great. If we want to coloring this, it's much better. We want it's, yeah. Okay, let's try. Maybe I set the, maybe set 5 for example. Okay, use your keyboard. Yeah, move your keyboard. Okay, I will ungroup first. After that we can maybe coloring like this. Okay, yeah, ungroup first, maybe can use, okay, and then we can give like this. Yeah, or no outline, maybe like this. Yeah, there's no, if you want to use this color, maybe. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, maybe to more. Okay, oh sorry, no outline, but we can copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and no fill, and then give with pen, maybe hairline, sorry, more, maybe one. Okay, and then top of, yeah, that's it. Okay, can group, yeah, group, and then we can place on this. That's right. Yeah, and others too, like this. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, ungroup and give, move down. Yeah, and then ungroup, take like this, down, stick to down. Okay, and give color here too. Yeah, no outline, no outline. Okay, no outline. Okay, okay, maybe 0.7. okay, that's it. Okay, range group and place here. Okay, jelas. Ya, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, color, move down, give white. Okay, increase the color width. Okay, and then can, okay, stop, sorry, ungroup first, took down. Okay, that's it. up. Sorry. Okay. None. That's it. Yeah, great. Okay. And group. And then we can this. Sorry. That's it. Yeah, that's finished. Trihita Karana, harmony with God, harmony with people, harmony with nature. Next, we'll teach all of you how to coloring others of this part. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.